and I will show you more of our products. And this is our Shade floodlight. It's our own design. Maybe in this fair you will see many similar products as this floodlight, but I will tell you our product's difference. And you can see this is the adjustable reflector of our lamps, and because this lamp using for the outdoor, and our designer concentrate more of the anti-glare problem, the honeycomb or the gill or high shading angle of the lamp, and deep clarity structure design of this lamp. And it also we also know that the heat dissipation problem also affects the lifespan of the lamp. There is a large heat sink of the lamp inside, and our lamp also using the ring-driven streaming effect. So our lamp will be very good heat dissipation, 5 years experience, lifelong space. And this lamp will be from 10 watt to 100 watt, and also have the RGBW supported the MX512. And this is our hot selling items. We have already exported to Europe, Middle East market, and the Southeast market. Have won many awards in the world. Okay, then this is our new products, new spotlight, and this is the could be adjustable, 90-degree adjustable. And we also have the step light series. This is the one lighting step light, and it also have the free lighting, 3 different CCT, like the RGB and the different colors of CCT. And this is our new items, spotlight. But this is the small spotlight. And our tree floodlight is lighting the trees. We have underground items or the standing items, or also can assemble on the pole in different usage for the different projects. Depends on the customer's requirement. And let me show you. This is our own design of the garden light, the border light. For this lamp, our designer using the wave feature assembled in the lamp, not only for the different excellent appearance, but also for the anti-glare. This wave is anti-glare, so when the human eye see the lights, it will not see any glare. So the customer will like it, especially for the Middle East customers. We have already using this lamp for the Southeast Asia project. And this is our outdoor furniture series items. And this also use this lamp could be assembled, and we can put the flower or the trees or the grass on inside it. This is many appreciated by the customers. Okay, and this is our floodlight series. Maybe this is regular item, but the difference of our products is this anti-glare. This is special and look very, very good, and very good quality, and the warranty is 3 years warranty. And this is also our outdoor furniture items. Maybe not many customers factory could produce this one, but this one we have won the award in this lighting fair. This one is outdoor furniture series items. And let me show you more. Oh, okay. Oh.
你们过可以过。
哦，可以吗？可以过。Okay, this is the wall washer light series. Different pin angle, different voltage from the 9 watt to more than 60 watt, 70 watt. Different pin angle, different voltage, and suitable for different requirements of the customers. And all our wall washer light using the aluminum, die-casting aluminum, and all have the honeycomb or anti-glare gill. So this already exported to the Southeast Asia projects. And okay, that's all our products.
Wow, that's very wonderful. I see a lot of product lines and series you created for many different application things.
Yes.
You have dedicated a lot of minds here. And I see a lot of other filming group
Yes.
is visiting.
Yeah.
Wow, I see your company is busy, it's good. Busy is very good. And the booth is well displayed and
Very thank you.
dedicated. Thank you.
Very
Thank you so much, Casey. Thank you for your information. And if anyone interested in, they can contact your website.
Yeah, of course. Of course.
WANJIN
WANJINlighting.com.
Yeah, just
WANJIN.com.
Yeah. Yeah, searching on the internet.
Yes.
I think it is quite easy to find you.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
See you around. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.